Millie!
Pink A Band, Packing My Bag. Packing My Bag by Alison Hawes, illustrated by Sarah Jennings. Packing My Bag. My book is in my bag. My pen is in my bag. My ball is in my bag. My apple is in my bag. My lunch is in my bag. My drink is in my bag.
Yay! Hooray!
My umbrella is not in my bag. What is in my bag? Hey kids, tell us in the comments below. What is the main thing the girl is doing throughout the story? A. Eating her lunch. B. Playing with ball. C. Packing her bag. D. Playing with friend. It's C. Packing her bag. Which color is the school bag? A. Yellow. B. Pink. C. Green. D. Orange. It's B. Pink. What color is the fruit she puts in her bag? A. Green guava. B. Yellow banana. C. Green apple. D. Red cherry. It's C. Green apple. What is not in her bag at the end of the story? A. Her book. B. Her lunchbox. C. Her stationery. D. Her umbrella. It's D. Her umbrella. What's the weather outside in the end? A. It's snowing. B. It's raining. C. The sun is shining. D. It's cloudy. It's B. It's raining. Thanks for enjoying your party time with Millie.